Hello guys, welcome to Do Physics. So this is Himanshu Talukdar and I am starting a course on electrostatics. So this course generally for the students who are still in class 12 of science stream, but anyone interested can take this course. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends, and in the comment section you can give your doubts and related to this topic. So let's start. So what we will learn through this course is, at first, what is electric charge. So we will start from the very beginning. What is electric charge? Then we will see what is the Coulomb's law, then the electric field, then electric field lines, then electric potential energy and electric potential. So this will be the whole course, and in today's lesson I am starting about this electric charge. So what is electric charge? Charge is a basic property of elementary particles due to which they attract or repel each other. So you guys all know that mass is a property of the particles or matter. So like that, electric charge is also a property due to which they attract or repel each other. So you guys may know this, that due to the gravitational force, particles attracts each other. So gravitational force is only attractive, but here we get the electric force which will arise due to this electric charge is both attractive and both repulsive. And comparatively, electric force is higher than that of the gravitational force. For example, we can say about this that an electron repels another electron due to similar kinds of charges in them. That is, similar kinds of charges repel each other. And an electron attracts another proton due to opposite kind of charges in them. That is, we can say that opposite charges attract each other. Alright? Let's move to the new slide. Then we get the SI unit of charge is Coulomb. You guys have to know this. The SI unit of charge is Coulomb. Now you might ask, what is Coulomb, or what is the comparison for Coulomb? So we can say that you guys know that electron is an elementary particle. So an electron possesses the amount of charge which is equal to 1.60 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. So from this you can have an idea what 1 Coulomb is about. So let's move to the next slide. Here are some properties of charge. So at first we can say that charge is quantized. Now what does this mean? So this means that I have already mentioned that the fundamental charge carrier is electron. The fundamental charge carrier is electron. The fundamental charge carrier is electron, and any amount of charge that we can get, that will be an integral multiple of that amount. That will be an integral multiple of that amount. For example, in a system we have the amount of charge, say Q. So that amount of charge should be equal to N into E. Where N is any integer and E is the amount of charge which is present in electron, which I have shown to you in the previous slide. So this amount. Now the next property associated with charge is that charge is conserved. That is, the net charge of an isolated system is conserved. So what does this mean? That it doesn't imply that we cannot create or destroy charge. Yes, we can, but the net charge will remain same in the system. The net charge of a system will remain conserved. So thank you guys for watching, and give your feedback in the comment section. See you later. Thank you.